In today's video, I am going to teach you how to schedule social media posts on Hootsuite. To get started, you will first sign in to Hootsuite. This is where you access your dashboard and all of the connected social media channels. When you are ready, go to the Hootsuite login page and enter your usual login details. Then select the option to sign in. After you sign in, take a moment to confirm that you are in the correct workspace or account, because the scheduling options you see can depend on which social profiles are connected to that workspace. Now that you are inside Hootsuite, you will create the post you want to schedule. Click the button that says plus create a post. You may see this as a prominent action on your screen, or it may be part of a posting or compose menu. Selecting create a post opens the editor where you can write your caption and attach any media, and it also sets you up to choose whether the post goes out immediately or later. Next, you will select the social media account or accounts you want to post to. In the Posting Composer, look for the section that shows your connected profiles and click the social accounts you want to publish on. This is important because Hootsuite can manage multiple platforms, and choosing the correct one ensures your audience receives your content in the places you intended. If you selected more than one account, Hootsuite will typically help you coordinate the same post across them, while still allowing you to review what each platform will display. After you choose the accounts, you will add the content for your post. Add your caption in the caption field. If you want to share visuals, add your images or videos in the media area. You can also include links if you want to direct people to a web page, product page, or campaign. Spend a moment reviewing what you are adding, because the text and attachments determine how your post will look once it is scheduled. If your platform has any character limits or formatting rules, your editor may reflect those as you type and attach content. Once your caption and media are ready, you will move to scheduling. Click Schedule for later instead of posting right away. This tells Hootsuite that you want to plan the publication time. Choosing the schedule option is helpful for staying consistent with your content calendar, and it also lets you post when your audience is most active, even if you are not online at that moment. Now you will choose the date and time. In the scheduling window, select the date you want your post to publish. Then set the time to match your plan. It is a good idea to double-check the time carefully, especially if you work across different regions, because scheduling is based on the time zone settings in your account. Take a quick look at the date and time displayed and make sure they match what you intended before you finalize. Finally, after everything looks correct, click Schedule. This confirms your scheduled post and adds it to your queue, so Hootsuite can publish it automatically when the time arrives. After clicking Schedule, you can usually view the post in your scheduled content area, where you can confirm the timing or check that the right accounts were selected. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.